Big Shine Energy Technology Co. Limited is dedicated to use technology to reach the vision of environmental sustainability. This new product focuses on planting and introduces a new concept of planting. Three-dimensional planting structure is a new way of thinking for planting. Like we move from cottage to condo, we build a condo for plants and move them into it. That means we can save a lot of space. This building is a combination structure. That is, users can build their own building depending on their demand. Look at the photo. This is a 12-floor high building. There is a central stainless steel pipe in the center of the structure that goes with the base to sustain the whole structure. This is one floor looks like. The central hall is for central stainless steel pipe. And the plant's grow light is at the bottom, and there are 3 planters each floor. After plants move to the building, light becomes a big problem. Just like electric light in our house, we set the plant's grow light at the bottom of each floor, so that we can solve the problem of insufficient light. Not only supply sufficient light, the special wavelength we applied also accelerates plant growth. Talk about planting. The most important thing is water. This product has a water supplying system. There is a stainless steel pipe in the center of building and 3 high-pressure spray correspond to 3 planters. By this, make irrigation more precise. That means we can reduce the waste of water resource. Besides precise irrigation, each planter has a slope with the central diversion hole. Make unused water can be collected to the base. After that, the collected water can be reused after filtered. The value of product. New thinking of planting. New agriculture model. With this product, we can harvest the same level of agricultural products with less land, reduce the waste of water resources, and accelerated plant growth. Taking care of plants will become easier than before. To achieve the goal of environmental sustainability, this product is a good choice. And as I mentioned before, one feature of this product is space saving. That is, a normal family also can use it to grow something they want. For farm, this product can harvest more agricultural products. With water saving and centralized and unified management, cost reduction will become easier. New thinking for planting goes with our new product will create a new agricultural model and bring us a new lifestyle. At last, we wish world a better future.
Hi everyone, it's very great to introduce you Bianco Di Pro Tune Professional BLDC blenders. So as you can see for our blenders, the inspiration of design is come from a radial operation. In our blenders, it is using a brushless DC motors, which is more endurance and more top power. So as you can see from the PPT, our top power is 4 times higher than other market assist blenders. And thanks to the brushless DC motor using, we can achieve the lowest 400 RPM rotation in the market, which you can do a lot of more other functions like chopping or mixing other functions. And also because of the DC brushless motor, it is more quiet when you doing the operation. It has 12 dB less than other blender in the market. And due to the DC motor, it is more energy efficiency. So you can see it during using the same power consumption, which they need the less power consumption to do the same functions. And as you can see from the blenders, we have quite some buttons. From this side, this is an on-off button, so you can just simply press it to activate the unit. And we have 9 preset programs inside. As you can see from the PowerPoint, we have like smoothie, nuts, soya milk, vegetable, sauce, biscuit, frozen treats, and the frozen drinks and dough. So you can do a lot of different recipes by using this blender. And in the same note, when you tune it, you can fine tune the preferred time that you want to use. And in our blender, it has a pause function. So for example, during blending, you forgot to add some other ingredients inside. You can just pause the blender, and then you can open the measuring cup to add in the ingredients, and then you can resume to the work. You don't have to restart the program again. And here we have a manual control speed. So same as like a radio concept, you can use this knob to fine tune to the ideal speed you want to do. So it has from first level up to 60 levels. And in the same button, it can also function as pause mode. So when you want to do some ice crushing or chopping, you can just simply press this and hold. So it will give you instant power to do the chopping or ice crushing. And in the same blenders, we can also using 1 cup to go concept. So for this concept, when you're doing daily drinks for work, you just simply put in all the ingredients in and then just do the blending. And due to the safety issues, in these functions, we only release one first speed and second speed. And after you're blending, you can just easily take out the container and remove the blade. Change to a drinking lid, and then you are easy to go. So you can bring to work very easily. So as you can see, we also have some other designs, especially for the jar. So when it blending, due to the different jar shape, corner design, it can give a vortex blending effect. So you can see the ingredients will be keep pulling down to the blade and doing the very fine cutting. And for the blade, we are using a 7 blade and starfish blade. So this you can totally cut all the ingredients to very fine status. And due to the high speed rotation, it will generate heat to the molecules. So you can also do in the hot drinks very easily. And in our blenders, there are 3 protect functions. First of all, when you remove the jar, when there is no container on top, all the functions are locked. You will not able to operate the unit. So, and then when you overload ingredients inside, which stop the blade, the device will also shut down by itself. And when you also doing too long operation, it will be overheated. Then the device will also shut down by itself. And lastly, we have also adapted with a thermometer temper. So during the operation, if you want to check out the drinks inside, what is the temperature? For example, you're doing hot soup like soya milk. You want to do like only 80 degrees, so you can check out the temperature very easily by using this tamper. And it can also work as to mix up the ingredients inside. So this is our product specs, just for your reference. Thank you very much.